guys, welcome to a new video. So in this video I want to talk about some fashion mistakes that you might be making, because of which your overall appearance or your outfit is not looking on fleek. And even if you are putting extra efforts into your looks and आप काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ें खरीद रहे हो, still they're not looking good on you. I want to talk about all of that, and I am not going to cover this from a styling point of view. मैं काफ़ी generic points बताऊंगी आपको, जिसको सुन के आपको भी लगेगा कि damn it's so easy, still I'm making these mistakes. So the first mistake is wearing ill-fitted clothes or just holding on to clothes which are not fitting you anymore. I'm pretty sure हर एक की wardrobe में एक pile of clothes होता है which we just think कि इतना सा weight lose हो जाएगा तो मुझे fit आ जाएंगे, and we just wait to fit into them for years, and I'm pretty sure कोई भी वापस उनको नहीं पहनता है. So I would say कि on some fine Sunday आराम से time निकालो, take out all the clothing pieces from your wardrobe and हर एक को पहन के check करो कि whether it still fits you anymore and if it fits you in the right way. अगर कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी जो fit नहीं हो रही, which is making you uncomfortable, which is giving you unwanted bulges, या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा weirdly loose है आपके ऊपर, then I would say just chuck it away. Like, don't chuck it away, sorry, give it to some needy people, give it to maybe your house help or like anyone around you, donate them, and इससे we make fashion more sustainable. And also wearing ill-fitted clothes just ruins your outfit. Like, you might be wearing the most beautiful top from Zara, but अगर उसका fitting अच्छा नहीं होगा तो कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. Now moving on to the next point, just hear me out on this. This is very important. सब चीज छोड़ो, ये सुनो. Stop running away from ironing your clothes. Unpressed or unironed clothes look really bad, and again if you are wearing something really nice बट अगर उसमें क्रीजेस है, अगर वो आयरन नहीं है तो वो आपके पूरे आउटफिट को बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब कर देगा. तो प्लीज़ make sure that you are either steaming or ironing your clothes before you are wearing them, like if they require it. And mostly से cotton के pieces होते हैं या फिर something जो structured fabric का होता है, तो उसमें ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है ironing की. So don't run away from it. या फिर time नहीं है तो ऐसे ही फटाफट पहन के चले गए, that will just totally ruin your outfit. Now I am someone who clearly likes wearing a lot of colorful pieces, and I personally like bright color के outfits काफ़ी ज़्यादा. Now I know this can be a personal preference, but if you like wearing colorful, bright, spunky outfits, then let me tell you, there is this one mistake that I've seen a lot of people making, which is to add a lot of colors to your outfit at the same time. Now I personally like to go by this rule where I can only add maximum में 3 different colors to my outfit. And yes, you can also try this rule, because उससे ना आपका outfit बहुत ज़्यादा over the top नहीं लगेगा. Like, I am not here to judge you. If you want to, you can add as many colors as you want. But I personally seen कि maximum में 3 colors तक में outfit अच्छा लगता है. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा थोड़ा सा weird सा लगने जाता है. I don't know how to explain it, but I would say that if you are choosing your outfit next time and आप confused हो कि क्या color, कितने color रखने, then try to wear 3 colors maximum में at one point, including your accessories, and you'll be good to go. Don't try too hard. I'll say it again for the people at the back. Don't try too hard with your outfits. Don't try to wear all the trends and be very trendy and on top of the trends. And this is my next point. Now I am a big believer of building a closet जिसमें 70% pieces basics हो, वो ऐसे pieces हो जो कि timeless रहते हैं, and then add just few trendy pieces here and there, and that's it. So next time you're out shopping or online shopping, then get pieces that vibe with you. Don't get pieces just for the sake of it. And actually when someone knows their style, when someone knows their aesthetic, I personally find it very sexy, and I think it's very cool कि किसी इंसान को इतना आइडिया होता है कि उसके ऊपर क्या अच्छा लग रहा है या फिर क्या उसका स्टाइल है. So have your own style. That is very important. Don't just follow people, don't just follow trends. Also, following a lot of trends is not sustainable, and if you want to make fashion sustainable a little bit, you can try this. You can build a closet जिसमें ज़्यादा timeless pieces, or even if you have to invest in them. कोई बात नहीं, invest in them because you will be wearing them for years since that is your style and not the current trend which will change next year या फिर in a few months or in a few days, because trends तो इतनी जल्दी जल्दी बदलते रहते हैं, especially in fast fashion. Now another very important point, please pay attention to this, is grooming. So imagine there's this person wearing a very nice outfit, बहुत put together है and everything is well coordinated, but still if their nails are chippy, if their nails are broken, if they have frizzy hair, cracked lips, things like that can be a total turn off, and वो पूरे outfit का कोई फायदा नहीं होगा if the basic things like these are overlooked. So outfits are important. For me personally is grooming actually. So girl, get your hair serum in, take care of your nails, take care of your nail health. अगर nail paint chip हो रही है, just remove it, let your nails breathe for a couple of days, then apply some other nail paint and put in your lip balm. Very important. If your eyebrows and your upper lips are looking like an Amazon rainforest, get them threaded or shave their hair off. Personally, I like to use the method of shaving to remove my facial hair. I have done an entire video on it. I'll link it here, you can check it out. But you get the point, right? If these basic things are not well taken care of, your outfit does not matter, because these things build your basic appearance. Now speaking about self-care and grooming brings me to my next mistake, which I don't want you to make, which is not investing in your skincare enough. Another way to put it is, I personally think that skincare trumps makeup any day. So I would like to say this to everyone watching this video, please make sure that you're investing more in your skincare than your makeup. I personally am a big believer of that. I love my skincare. I love researching more about my skincare. Makeup मुझे 2-4 products से चल जाएगा, but I need my skincare to be the best. So I would recommend you to do the same. Now please don't get me wrong, I am not saying कि makeup मत apply करो या फिर makeup is bad or something. I am a big fan of makeup. I just love doing makeup and eyeshadows के साथ experiment करना. It is like an art to me and बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. I'm a big fan of applying makeup. All I am saying is don't let makeup make you feel insecure about your own skin. So make sure कि अपनी skin का ज़्यादा ध्यान दो, and makeup should complement of your skin instead of compensating it. Tell me in the comments which is one makeup product and one skincare product that you cannot live without, your holy grail, your ultimate favorite, your must have in your makeup bag. Comment में बताओ and we all can share our favorite items here. And oops, I hope this did not distract you all this while. So this brings me to my next point, which is not hiding or cutting off these tags. So we get this type of tags in our clothes so that we can hang them easily hanger पे, and I personally think that ये बहुत ही बेकार होता है, and I never use them to hang my clothes actually, and I just cut them off the moment I get any clothing piece. This is a very notorious piece and इतनी जल्दी से बाहर आ जाता है या फिर ऐसे लटक रहा होता है, and it looks very bad. It completely ruins your outfit. So make sure that you are either tucking it away properly if you use them to hang your clothes, or you just cut them off like me. मतलब काट दो, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं, उसके बाद तो कोई टेंशन ही नहीं. Your lingerie can make or break your outfit, and the final mistake is not paying enough attention to it. First of all, your lingerie needs to be very good fitted. Like ill-fitted lingerie is a big no-no. So go to your closet and try out your lingerie, and if it feels like it's giving you unwanted bulges or you just cannot breathe in them anymore, then throw them off. And if it's oversized, then get your correct size. Secondly, the color is again very important in lingerie. So if you're wearing suppose something white, like white t-shirt or something, then uske andar don't go for something white color ka lingerie or bra. Instead go for a nude bra. So make sure that you pay proper attention to the color of your lingerie, the fit of your lingerie, and let me tell you, if worn correctly, good underwear can give you the boost of confidence like it's nobody's business. Now, as I said before, I did not wanted to make this from a styling point of view. I wanted to include very general points that almost everyone can relate to. But if you want me to make the same video styling points, then please tell me, because I have some styling mistakes also that people make quite a lot and I would love to make it. So अगर आपको वो वीडियो चाहिए comment section में बताओ. If you want, if you have any video request, then please give that to me in the comment section. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. Click on this red button to subscribe and then click on the bell sign, guys. That's very important. उसके बिना you won't get notified whenever I'll upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram actually. And yes, now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.